Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very comfortable soft leather made summer sandals, new designs and new collection. All sandals are best for casual wear and office wear. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all the designs. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notification of more beautiful, informative and stylish type of those collections which are in a fashion and trending going on nowadays. Beautiful, stylish, updated collections and new arrivals of footwear and dress designing collections are available in my channel. If you want to see more branded collections, then visit my channel, click on video or playlist section. You will find all the branded sandals and designer dresses, new collections very easily. Here I am sharing one of the most demanding, very stylish, beautiful, soft sorts of designs of summer sandals with you people. In this video you can see all variations of footwear collection with super soft material and eye-catching colors. One of the stunning collections of different beautiful newly launched sandals which are best for casual wear and office wear. Here in this video you will find all different type of those heels designs which are very practical, comfortable, stylish and popular all over the world. Very simple, decent, comfortable, stylish type of footwear designs are available here in this collection. With the help of these collection, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which type of designs are in a fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular. And when you see the style and comfortability blend, this is one of the best and perfect collection for yourself. Pointed toe, pointed heel is best designed for parties and office wear. Slip-on sandals are also included here in this collection, and these designs are best for casual wear activities. Dull golden color is best color for your all outfits. Snakeskin printed sandals and pump shoes are very much in a fashion and hot favorite design nowadays. Peep toe style sandals are also best designs for this year. Peep-toe style slingback design is one of the best and most favorite designs of girls and ladies. Such type of sandals are best for creating unique type of styles in your personalities. Double strip sandals with double soles designs are also best designs. Low heels are best for casual wear activities. Double sole flat sandals are also best for all age group ladies. Different age group ladies find attraction in such type of beautiful designs of footwear. I am sure that you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and taste. Long heel sandals designs are best for formal occasions, and mid and low heel designs are best for casual wear activities. These designs are walk friendly and foot friendly. In this collection you will find round toe, square toe, pointed toe and peep toes, all best design. Nowadays square and pointed toe sandals are also very popular designs beside round toe. The best feature of brown and black footwear is that it is best perfect fit with the all outfits. See, different type of very eye-catching colors and comfortable styles are best for perfect for your lifestyle, especially for young ladies. Sling bag, zipper bag, back open styles of these sandals with chunky styles of heels, platform sole, wedge styles trending going on nowadays. Some of the platform soles and wedge style flat sandals you can keep for your casual wear activities, and otherwise all those chunky styles of heels you can keep for your formal occasions. Two-tone sandals designs are also hot favorite design nowadays. Like color contrast in dresses, designers are trying to introduce best color contrast in footwear also. All types of straps like medium, thin, white, printed, transparent and adjustable strips are also used to design such type of beautiful footwear. Nowadays, every brand trying to design their footwears with different types of accessories like pearls, beads, stones and flowers, and these are most favorite designs of girls and ladies. In all brands, animal printed sandals designs is also introduced. Snakeskin, tiger and leopard print look so stylish and elegant. Floral printed design is also hot favorite design nowadays. As this is the need of time too that all the people prefer to do online shopping, so these pairs are also available online. Through these videos not only you can take the designing ideas but also you can do online shopping. I'm sure that you love to see this collection, and if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box of this video where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do shopping online. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video. I am sure that you will admire this video too, like previous collections. As far as slippers are concerned, they are all very comfortable and soft and very practical sorts of slipper, and such type of sandals are also very popular. Because all of these footwear designs are popular for for all ladies, especially for all age group ladies. Because of its styles, young ladies love to wear such type of footwear for their outfits with different types of bottom designs like jeans, pants and trousers, etc. And because of its comfortability, working ladies love to wear such type of footwear at workplace. These are so comfortable and soft that for longer period of time you will feel super comfort under these footwear. Peep-toe style slingback design is best for all age group ladies. One of the best collection for casual wear, formal wear and office wear. These styles are very popular and stylish. The color combination of these sandals are look so pretty and elegant. Pointed toe slingback design with long pencil heel is best designed for parties and offices. Leather strips are very comfortable and soft. I hope you will also feel the comfortability of these soft leather sandals too. Platform heels design is also looks so stylish and pretty. The colors of these sandals are very bright, and some light color contrasts are also used to design such type of beautiful footwears. The black and brown color footwears you can easily carry with your all outfits. Peep-toe style slingback design in black color is best designed for all age group ladies. Block chunky heel designs is also very attractive and beautiful design. Double strip slingback design in maroon color is best perfect fit with your all outfits. Tie knot design is also hot favorite design of girls. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. If you want to see more branded collections of footwears and dress designing, then visit my channel, click on video or playlist section. You will find all the branded sandals, footwears and dresses, new designs very easily. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notification of new uploads. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for it. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video.